Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So this is a late video. I wanted to put it up for my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube, but I wasn't entirely happy with the results. But today I've decided to put it up anyway, and just to track my learning process when it comes to perfecting my art and craft and love of hairdressing. So I'm attempting the jumbo lemonade braids. Her hair is already shampooed, conditioned and moisturized, and I've oiled her scalp already. The only thing I'm going to do in this video is add the beeswax edge gel so that I can sleek her edges prior to braiding. Now this is an old video, as I've said. It was filmed on the 11th of May 2019. So I did struggle a little bit with the jumbo braids, and that's because it's my first time. I'm in the beginner stages, and I think it's good when YouTubers can show their journey from beginning to end and show their progress, because otherwise it makes you feel like, well, everybody's got this skill or this talent and I'm not any good. And it just goes to show that practice really does make perfect. I remember when I couldn't do feed-in braids at all. Back in the days, I knew them as Ghana braids, not feed-in braids as they're well known as today on YouTube. And now I can do feed-in, aka Ghana braids. So practice really does make perfect. And I think that's all for me to say. So I'm not going to say anymore. I'm just going to let you sit back and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.